Good morning, guys.
Morning, guys.
Ay, wag mo masyado, baby.
Morning, guys.
Hi, guys. Good morning. So, andito na kami sa airport at papunta na kami ng
Boracay.
Boracay. Ayan. So, nasan tayo, love? Nasa terminal ano na tayo?
Nasa terminal na po kami ng tren.
Hindi. Anong terminal number?
Terminal 2.
Okay, ayan. So, medyo may nahihiya pa yung asawa ko, pero um, come with us.
Wala pa kasi akong tulog, guys.
Wala pa siyang tulog. So, come with us, guys. Kasi pupunta kami ng Boracay to celebrate Ryan's birthday and my birthday too.
Again?
Actually,
Again?
it's actually Ryan's birthday, pero tapos na yung birthday ko. But since we did not go to anywhere nung birthday ko because everyone surprises me, um, ito na rin yung araw ng celebration or ito na rin yung way ng celebration namin. So, ano pa ba?
You were meant to be.
Alam mo, love, ang daming bloopers ng video natin na to. So, get ready with me muna, guys, dito sa airport since it's already 4:53 in the morning. Ang flight namin is 7 a.m. Sobrang aga namin. We love to go early sa airports kasi marami kaming pwede pang gawin. We get to watch movie pa. We get to eat airport food. That's what I want. Char. So, come with me. Get
Aeroplano. Maya-maya na kami. I-tour namin kayo mamaya.
Get ready with me, guys. Let's go. Bye. Hi, guys. Welcome back to my vlog. So, hulaan nyo kung nasan kami ngayon mag-asawa. Andito kami ngayon sa NAIA Terminal 2. We're going to Boracay. Ayan. Isa-surprise namin yung Uncle Ryan namin because it's gonna be his birthday celebration sa 11th of October. And I'm very excited kasi, guys, wala kaming vacation this year ng asawa ko kasi we are very busy person, charot. Sobrang busy niyo sa work, sobrang busy ko sa work. Though nag-resign ako sa isa kang work, of course, as a kagawad, very, very busy pa rin tayo. So, I'm so excited. It's already like 6:09 in the morning. Our flight's gonna be 7:55. So, I hope makatulog ako sa flight kahit 1 hour lang. And then possibly ETA namin is like is going to be a 5-day vacation. Thank you sa aming sponsor. Maraming maraming salamat. And I'm so excited kasi finally makakapagpahinga, makapag-rest kami mag-asawa at um, dyan muna kayo sa Manila kasi ang daming yung toxic dyan. Char. Just so excited. So guys, we don't have any plans. We don't have any itineraries. Ang plano lang namin mag-asawa is mag-swimming, kumain, matulog, magpahinga, and basta part na ng celebration yan. So come with me. I'll show you guys yung weather sa Boracay, gaano kaganda sa Boracay. Every year, nandito kami. And it's finally happening. We're going to Boracay. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, sa lahat ng blessings. For all the stress that the people gave me. I wish them good. I wish them good luck at sana maging masaya rin sila katulad ng saya kong nararanasan ngayon. Thank you, Lord. Bye, guys. I'll let you know pag nasa Boracay na kami. Guys, lipat kami ng gate 1 from gate 9 or gate 10, I'm sorry. Lipat kami ng gate 1. Ayun ulit si Boy tulog. Tulog all the way. Ayan. So, few minutes guys, we're boarding na. And then yung biyahe lang pa Katiklan is 1 hour and 10 minutes. Sometimes it's just only 45 minutes nga eh. And then pagdating ng Katiklan, magta-tricycle lang kami. Tapos going to Jetty Port and then Bangka and then Boracay na. So madali lang pero medyo nakakapagod kung hindi ka mga naka-van transfer kasi syempre pag van transfer may magbubuhat para sa'yo, bayad ka na kagad, like hindi ka na pupunta dun sa mga terminal fee or magma-manual payment pa. So pinili namin yung options na to para mas makamura. Kami,
PRN 2B2039 bound for Katiklan. The man of these aircraft is Captain Toral, assisting him in the controls since First Officer Get My Time. To all our mabuhay milers on board.
hi guys! Kumain muna kami sa Andox. Dahil nag-crave yung asawa ko ng walang kamatayang sinigang-gang. Ito si Geng-Geng. Super sarap nito guys ng sinigang. The best. Ayan. Ito naman ako, Dokito, and sa kanya, pork chop. Kain.
Kain tayo guys.
Thank you. Cheers. Where's yours, Daddy?
Right here. Thank you.
For other services and facilities po, if you want to dine with us for lunch and dinner.
Hi guys! Nandito na kami sa Fairways. Hi, Daddy! So dahil super early namin dumating, hindi pa kami makakapag-check-in. Pero we're waiting na lang for Ate Apple and Uncle Ryan. Kasi nandyan na rin sila. Daddy, are you excited na? Ayan. So, mamaya ko na lang kayo itutour dito sa
Property namin.
mamaya na lang namin kayo itutour dito sa hotel. Kasi we wanted to rest and wala talaga kaming plano. Gusto lang namin magpahinga, kumain, matulog, mag-swimming. So, ayan. Antayin natin sila Ate Apple. Okay. Medyo nakakapagod yung biyahe guys kasi from airport to Boracay itself, kailangan mo nang kailangan mo nang sumakay ng almost like 3 transport. So, first is tricycle kung nagdi-DIY ka. And then, tricycle and then ano ba nga yung gum? Yung sinakyan natin? Pagtapos ng tricycle. Basta small boat and then e-trike. And then another van para naman dito sa loob ng Fairways. Kasi guys, sobrang laki niya. As in, super laki niya. Na kailangan mo pang mag-shuttle going to another room or another building. And the shuttle is 24 hours. So, hindi kami masyadong nag-worry about kahit lumabas ng madaling araw or ng gabi. Kasi it's 24 hours. Sobrang convenient lang dito sa Fairways kasi konti lang yung tao, konti lang yung nag-check-in. Pero very affordable. Parang nakuha lang namin to for 2,700 per night. For only 3 nights. And then the rest of the nights is doon na kami sa main beach. Main beach. So, yan. Hi
Hi
guys!
guys!
So,
We finish our morning dip. Dip?
afternoon dip.
Morning pa lang kasi afternoon lang ha. Umaga tayo dito.
Guys, hindi pa kami nakakapag-check-in pero nag-swim na kami because the swimming pool is so inviting. Look at that! Diba? It's so nice. And then we're just gonna do a nap. And then pupunta kami sa Four Seasons. I'm so hungry. Are you hungry?
No?
I'm hungry. Gutom na ako. Super hungry na ako. Um, delivery daw kami ng tita ko. I'm gonna eat a lot kasi libre ng tita. So, ito yung room namin. Ay, hindi na ako magsasalita na lang para PO.
Welcome to our new property. Here. So, it's 40 square meters. Studio type.
Hi guys! Papunta na kami sa Two Seasons to eat pizza. So, dito sa Fairways, kailangan mo munang mag um, either van or shuttle, yung shuttle, para makapunta ka sa main road. And then, sasakay ka ng e-trike para sa pupuntahan mo. Ito tiga tayo tadi.
Hello. Dito kami sa Boracay. Ang tanong ko dito ang
Ano tayo sa sunset? Pakita natin.
nagkayak.
Kapag ka naman parang artista. I-screenshot ko din. Mm-mm. Guys, lagi kami nagpupunta ng Boracay pero madalas either nasa main beach kami, station 2 or nandun sa Fairways. Pero sobrang ganda pala talaga dito sa station 1. Grabe! Sana ma-experience ng mga pamangkin ko to. Wow! Look guys, oh. Grabe. Thank you, Lord, for the blessings. Hi guys, sound check. Sound check. Ayan. So, we're here at Two Seasons, Boracay, and we're waiting for my tita because we're in and to try their famous four cheese pizza and ano mga ba yun? Yung oyster sisig. I'm not eating oyster, but I'm gonna try their oyster sisig. Sorry sa hair ko, guys, kasi kanina maayos yan. Pero dahil naglakad-lakad kami, buwagag na ulit. And for now, ang in-order ko muna is their two-season shake. I don't know why it's red and yellow, pero it's orange and mango siya. So let's try it. Masarap. Parang yung shake dun sa kanto namin sa Bagong Bayan. Masarap naman. Love, you wanna try? Ang sarap pero, ay, ang sarap kasi mas lasang-lasa yung mangga. Mmm. Looks good. Mukhang hindi ka talaga makakakain, Joe, dahil sa sili.
Hindi, isa lang naman hindi. Ina, natutunog-tunogan ko na rin. Ano oras ang flight mo? Secret!
Yeah. Since you kept asking what time our flight was, I'm like, they got to be coming at some.
Init kasi yung pagdating mo. Init ko.
Super. Happy dance, happy dance.
Paano po yung happy niya sa'yo?
And mayo? Mayo ko tayo sa natin. Libre naman, no? Pantataplong? Harap. Tungak. Dapat ka pa ng konti. Hindi iya ako lahat. Huwag ka gumanda. Ano tayo? Tatalon tayo tapos ito yung pakitaas pa. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Bye guys.
Huwag na rin sa pagsapat. Kanya lalakad nyo ang tayo. Galing tayo. Ako na nahihiya na ako sa buhay. Punta naman tayo doon. Sa malayo. Hindi tayo gitna. Pag-gitna. Ang corny. Dito lang tayo. Ayan. Tapos picture yan. Hindi tayo.
Interview kita. Hi, Daddy! Are you enjoying? So, ano pinaka gusto mo ngayong vacation na to? Ano pinaka na-enjoy mo?
Pagtulog, syempre.
Talaga?
Oo.
Hindi ka ba nakakatulog sa bikutan?
Nakakatulog naman.
Pero,
Laging kulang.
oh, oh, sobrang workaholic naman kasi. I love you.
Love you too.
Tumingin ka naman dito. Hi guys! We're here. Charot. Yung OA. Hi guys. Papunta kami sa Nalka and Seafood or Nalka Seafood.
Ha?
Say hi to my vlog, kuya. Thank you po. Oo, talaga. Pag may foreigner, 150, no? So guys, papunta kami ngayon sa sa Nalka and Seafood or Nalka Seafood to have dinner. And it's currently raining. Nalka. Already gave you the time and a place.
There's your shake, please. Jonah.
Yeah. Jonah. Yung makeup ko, promise, hindi pwede. Ikot pa ganun, ha? Wait lang.
Papunta doon?
Oo, pag alis ng mga tao. Yan. Wait lang, wait. 1, 2, 3. Hi, guys! So, nandito kami sa Station 2. Medyo hindi maganda ang panahon. Pero it's okay because the sun is still coming out.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, diba? What's your favorite moto, Daddy?
Honda. Moto?
Moto in life.
Time is gold.
Okay, ako naman hawakan mo
And the
to.
gold is time.
Yes. Nandito.
What's your favorite motto?
Ganun kataas ulit. Yan, ganyan.
What's your favorite motto?
My favorite motto is...
Moto? Like Mojo? Jojo? Game.
I don't know, my beautiful.
Yes. Game. What's your favorite motto?
I don't know, motto, toto.
Boto Toko?
Yung gano'n natin. Yung ginagawa natin.
Game.
Bigla na wala na akong gani. Mamay magtatayo ako ng tripod dun para.
Sit on the bed and she found it next to the bed.
Pwede na nakasama ka naman.
Yeah, we should have it. Next time we're just going to put it in the book. On the bed, then you can't lose it.
Ewan ko dyan. Nilapag daw niya sa kapa. Oo nga, no? Weird.
You're familiar with the OnlyFans.
Ay, patay mo.
Nasa kama ka, di ba ng kama niya ganyan?
4K.
Breakfast time, what do we see? Eggs and toast and a cup of tea. Milk and cereal, fruits so sweet. Let's all sit down and eat. Time to eat, yum yum yum. Healthy foods for everyone. Time to eat, let's have a treat. Eating together is so neat. Lunchtime comes, what's on the plate? Sandwiches and veggies, feeling great. Soup and salad, tasty and bright. Let's enjoy every bite. Time to eat, yum yum yum. Healthy foods for everyone. Time to eat, let's have a treat. in store. Chicken and rice and so much more. Pasta and peas, a wonderful meal. Eating together, what a deal. Time to eat, yum yum yum. Healthy foods for everyone. Time to eat, let's have a treat. Eating together is so neat.
Naghahanap lang ako ng mga jowa. Hindi niya sinasabi. Namit na namin yung
Daddy.
girlfriend ka lang siya. Tagal na rin nila.
I don't know. Have you guys talked to them about his personal life more than me? Me and Randall are boys. We don't get into questions. Where we come from, we don't. Those are not questions we ask each other.
Patapol tingin ka! Talaga maganda sa baba. Waiting ka. Sayang, di ko nasimulan.
Hindi assemble ni ate gusto.
Yan, damihan mo niyan, te.
Dami chlorine.
Hmm?
Dami chlorine.
Hi, Daddy.
Hello.
Ikot eh.
Magdaanan sila. At parang tatlo lang sila, apat.
Baka bumubuelo pa.
It's only half.
Oh, mami.
Gamit na gamit natin ito kagabi.
Lagay ko na ito dito.
Turn it on and off.
Mami, tiyara mo.
I have the other ones with me.
Yung shot.
Pero i-charge ko na lang din later.
Swap out.
Lobat ko.
Stuff we're talking about, how we're acting like idiots. There you go, video.
Hi guys! Hi guys! Welcome back to our vlog! Yung isang ikot lang. Ayun po. One, two. Ako na, nabili na ako.
That's why I brought the camera. You don't want to bring the camera.
Wala ba kami dyan?
Walang dance floor dun, mahal. Mabibiting ka?
After one song and a half, play mo yung
Yan ba yun? Yo, Shaori. Yan?
Yan na yan, yan ba yan? Yan ba yan, kuya?
Photo. I don't want photo.
Hindi, nakaswitch na yan.
Hindi yata. Yun yun.
Start the video in 20 seconds, okay?
Picture yun.
Oh, Shaori. It's your birthday.
Sabi
You
mo,
got a
di ba?
body like...
Picture na.
Yo.
Are we gonna have to restart it? We gonna have to restart it.
Yo, Shaori. It's your birthday. You got a body like...
Okay, isa pa, isa pa.
Isa pa, kuya. Kasi, ano eh?
Kasi video namin umaga, konti na. Yan. Tayo pa naman tayo eh.
Oo. Saan ba tayo? Sinabi mo na ba? Sinabi mo na kung saan tayo?
Oo.
Hi, Noy!
Go.
Eh. Si Kuya, nagpapalis din. Yan na. Pag ano, sa face niya.
Hey, hey.
Yo.
Yo, shorty.
It's your birthday. You got a body like it's your birthday. It's your birthday. Toto.
Feeling my flow. I'm ready to go.
Happy birthday!
Pinatay na niya. I'm not hiding now, I'm shining like a the Cheers! Happy birthday, Ron! Spa. Hi guys! Check out na namin dito sa Fairways and we're about to go to our next hotel since we booked 2 hotels para medyo ibang experience naman. Doon naman kami sa Station 1 sa Main Beach. Yung stay namin dito sa Fairways, so nice, it's so comfortable. And yeah, let's go to our next hotel. Bye! Hi, koi fishes. Ay, may koi fish. Ayan po siya. Cute na sana eh, oh. Hi guys, this is our room dito sa Henan. We got king size bed. Here's our bathrobe. Ayan, may safety din sila. Ayan. Ito, pwede itong office workplace. Here's our bed. Sobrang sulit ng bed talaga dito. Ayan, TV. It's just a small room, no? Can you make the mahal? Pwede bang isarado to? Walang balcony eh. Thank you, Kuya.
To
just me and you. Sandy beaches, waves so high. Summer love, let's touch the sky. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand is so sweet. Summer days can't be beat. Palm trees swaying, breeze so light. Party all day, dance all night. Feel the sunshine, feel the glow. Summer vibes, just let it flow. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand is so sweet. Summer days can't be beat. Palm trees swaying, breeze so light. Party all day, dance all night. Feel the sunshine, feel the glow. Summer vibes, just let it flow. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand is so sweet. Summer days can't be beat. Let the music take control. Feel the magic in your soul. Summertime, we're feeling free. Dance with me by the sea. Hey, dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand is so sweet. Summer days can't be beat. Sun is shining, sky so blue. Feel the ocean, just me and you. Sandy beaches, waves so high. Summer love, let's touch the sky. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand is so sweet. Summer days can't be beat. Palm trees swaying, breeze so light. Party all day.
Hi guys! Nandito kami ngayon sa Henan Crystals. Dad!
Hello. So nandito kami ngayon sa Henan. It's our fifth day ba o fourth? Fifth day. Since we arrived at the beautiful island of Boracay.
Yes! Wait, I'm just gonna show them kung saan tayo, kung gaano kaganda yung pool nito. Wow! Look at this guys. Beachfront.
So we're here to celebrate Ryan's life. Today is October 11 at ngayon yung birthday niya. And later, magdi-dinner kami and then we're gonna party all night.
Yes. Ang ganda ng mga ano gumo, ng mga puno. Ay, ano ba tawag? Ano bang ano yan?
Gusto lang yun.
Basta, pati ano, tignan mo ang ganda ng parang postcard. Ganda. Ganda.
Picture na yun.
Oo nga eh.
Ano, pag wala ulit.
Yan. Tayo naman dito. Ikot mo ako ulit. Yung lagi natin ginagawa. Carry me, carry me. Wait lang nga, yung moves ko.
Bakit?
Yung mga ano ha.
Bakit ano?
Wag. Sabihan ko na. Wait lang, may bata. One, two. Ano? Ang bagal. Okay, ayos mo yung baba sa akin. Daddy. Good take. Hi guys.
Hindi sila Ryan. Asaran din. Travel.
Asan? Hindi ko ma-right. Dad, angat mo na dun. Ha? Super.
Wala yung kama dun sa ano.
Yan na, sa ferries.
Airways. Gosh, talaga.
Dab, ayos ka nga na itsura mo, Gum. Ang ganda ng yung shot mo eh. Oh, nasisilaw ka. Hmm. Bakit?
Isura mo ikaw rin.
Ikaw na muna, para sa video.
Sabi mo, masisilaw ko doon.
At ganun kita kamahal. Wow, ang pogi ng asawa ko. Ang kurang ko. Huwag naman ganun, ang pangit na. Ayan po, alas ginugol niya sa pagkain namin. Hi, Daddy!
Hello. Hindi na yata ako ng chatter ko eh.
Relax na relax ha. Alam mo yung vlog ko, mahal, puro ikaw lang. Wala akong man lang...
Ano naman? Chinese kayo. Anong pakiramdam na ikaw yung walang shade? Sasabihin mo pa, hindi ako itsura.
Ha? Wag na.
Hindi, gusto ko lang makita mo. Kung anong pakiramdam na walang shade.
Mahapde.
Ikaw dali, tingnan mo. Tingnan ang itsura mo.
Hindi na po kayo, tapos na?
Dapat ito. Aray! Ay, sorry. Sorry na talaga. Ganda dyan, daddy, oh. Ikaw naman. Shout out sa mga misis na lagi may toyo. Tara tayo, doon nandun ni Ara. Ayan. Uy, masakit. Uy, masakit. Dito lang tayo. Para maranasan mo kung ano lang naranasan ko. So, pag na.
Higa. Huwag mo na galawin pa mo, higa ka lang. Yan, higa lang.
Safe.
Safe. Lumabas, susumo yung hindi safe. Hawa ka mo.
Wait lang. 1, 2, 3. Saya ko. Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord. Kahit di na mag-tutorial bukas. Para may matera pa sa January. Pagod na rin ako eh, Lord. Kakangiti. Hindi ko na ma-enjoy. Dapat laging ganito. Dapat lang. Laging ganito. Hindi mo ko pinagbibigyan.
Okay.
We were both young when I first saw you. I closed my eyes and the flash
mo'y aking kailangan. Pag-ibig na walang hangganan, ang aking tunay na nararamdaman. Ang nais ko sana'y inyong malaman, sa hilaga o sa timog o kanluran, at kahit saan pa man ang aking isisigaw. Ikaw ang aking mahal. Ang nais ko sana'y inyong malaman, sa hilaga o sa timog o kanluran, at kahit
Finish the sentence on that one. Don't leave a cliffhanger after saying that. Yeah, she's gonna push it, and then you gotta put.
And then, introduce yourself. Welcome to my vlog, guys.
Thank you. That's why the timer. You're gonna push it, and then you're gonna lift it up. 'Cause otherwise,
Okay, guys.
Obviously, you know the song. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. My mama don't like you, she likes everyone. And I never lie.
We're hiring. 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 Oh my God, yeah, let's go to the Crystal Statue.
Jojo! Bye-bye!
I love you, man. Come on. Okay, later, tonight.
Bye-bye!
Hi guys! So it's It's breakfast time. Kumain ako mag-isa kasi wala yung asawa ko dahil hangover pa. Pero it's okay because it's our last day. I'll give him the day. So I'll just enjoy my breakfast. Kain po tayo. Nag-breakfast po ako ngayon. Hindi ko kasama sa Jojo. Kasi may hangover. Ang pinakagusto ko dito sa Henan is yung bacon nila. So, kain po tayo.
Sun is shining, sky so blue. Feel the ocean, just me and you. Sandy beaches, waves so high. Summer love, let's touch the sky. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand is so sweet. Summer days can't be beat. Palm trees swaying, breeze so light. Party all day, dance all night. Feel the sunshine, feel the glow. Summer vibes, just let it flow. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand is so sweet. Summer days can't be beat. Palm trees swaying, breeze so light. Party all day, dance all night. Feel the sunshine, feel the glow. Summer vibes, just let it flow. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand is so sweet. Summer days can't be beat. Let the music.
Hi guys! Papunta kami. Hi guys! It's our last day today. It's so sad. Ikaw. Manonood kami ng sunset. Since last day na. Okay, mamaya na. Kasi they're having fun.
Hear the words just came what's wrong. So I have to say I love you in a song. Every time the time was right, all the words just came what's wrong. So I have to say I love you in a song.
Somebody till the end of time. And I love somebody like you. Yes. Sobrang pahinga.
Thank you for watching.